Hi guys, it's Antonio from EasyBlock here today to introduce our new product for the Honda Africa Twin. The Africa Twin is one of the most loved bikes around the world. Really practical that if you're going around city or if you're using it for weekend adventures and long trips. However, being such a popular bike, this also makes it one of the prime targets for thieves. Well, how can we protect our loved Africa Twin? Unfortunately, the bike doesn't have any space under the saddle, which makes it really inconvenient to bring with you a chain or a disc lock. And the spoked wheel, such a nice feature on this bike, it's really inconvenient when it comes to using a chain, as it makes it really difficult to insert it within the wheel. How can EasyBlock help us solve these issues? So EasyBlock is a mechanical anti-theft device that is pre-installed on the bike and it stays there at all time, which means we don't have to carry the padlock or the chain, as the anti-theft device is already on the wheel. How does the system work? So it is installed in the sprocket area of the bike and it's activated using the provided key. It locks the rear wheel, immobilizing the sprocket, which makes it impossible for a thief to just wheel away the bike. On top of this, EasyBlock also encouraged us to use the wheel lock every time we stop. How many times have you left your bike unprotected just because you were popping into a store for 5 minutes? Well, that is an unnecessary risk that exposes our bikes to opportunistic thefts. With EasyBlock, you can actually protect your bike every time you stop. The reason is that it's really easy to activate, it's already on the bike, and it takes under a second just to use the key and secure your bike every time you stop. So if you guys have any questions about the product for the Africa Twin or for any other model, please hit us up in the comment or contact us via the website, and we're looking forward to hearing from you. So have a lovely day and stay tuned for more videos from us.